Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into an admin account so changes stick. Once done, press Windows key plus I or Open Start and type settings to save time. In Settings, select Windows Update from the left sidebar. This is the control center for automatic updates. You're not adjusting bandwidth yet. First, make sure the Windows Update page loads fully and shows your device name. This prepares the system to accept automatic update toggles and policy changes without interruption. Next, enable the automatic settings. In Windows Update, toggle Receive Updates for other Microsoft products so apps get patched too. Then click Advanced Options and set Receive Updates to On. This allows updates to download and install automatically. Make sure to configure active hours to prevent unexpected restarts and choose automatic restart options that respect your schedule. Once set, Windows will download and install quality and feature updates. This reduces manual patching and keeps security current without daily supervision. Finally, confirm settings by checking update history to verify recent installs and status. If updates fail, run Settings System Troubleshoot Other Troubleshooters and run Windows Update Troubleshooter. It fixes common issues like corrupted caches. Make sure the Windows Update service is running. Open Services and verify it's set to automatic, then restart the device to apply changes. If problems persist, clear the software distribution folder as a last step before seeking deeper logs or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.